We are learning to write descriptions. I am going to write a description about Greedy Cat. First of all, I'm going to do a plan and think about some words that describe Greedy Cat. By looking at the picture, I think that Greedy Cat has a fluffy tail. So I'm going to write fluffy tail. Greedy Cat also looks grumpy, so I'm going to write grumpy. He's fat, so I'm going to write fat. Greedy Cat has long whiskers. I'm going to write long whiskers. And Greedy Cat is stripy. I can see that he's got black stripes on, so I'm going to write stripy. Now I'm going to use these words to help me write my description. My first sentence is going to say, Greedy Cat is a fat cat with stripy fur. So I'm going to write that down. Greedy Cat is a fat cat with stripy fur. In my first sentence, I've used my ideas about Greedy Cat being fat in my description, and I've also used the ideas about him having stripy fur. Now I'm going to write my second sentence. My second sentence is going to say, he is grumpy with long whiskers and a fluffy tail. He is grumpy with long whiskers and a fluffy tail. Let's see which describing words I used in this sentence. I used the word grumpy, long whiskers, and fluffy tail. So I wrote a description about Greedy Cat. First of all, I thought of some words that described what he looked like and what he was like as a cat. And then I use these words in my sentences to write my description. I hope you write some great descriptions too.